In 2001, Al Husseini Group established Al Jazeera Agriculture Company. It represents the agricultural investment of the group. Al Jazeera farms are located in Mafraq, north of Jordan, on isolated land specially developed to suit poultry projects. This investment is a nucleus to build complete poultry farms for grandparents, breeders, broilers, layers, chicken meat and table eggs. Al Jazeera Grandparents was established to integrate the poultry industry. Al Jazeera has chosen the French Hubbard breed for its ability to cope with the local climate and its outstanding production capabilities for both breeders and broilers. In its first phase, the Grandparents project comprises of 4 production units on an area of 3,500 dunums, assuring the continuous production of 2 million breeder chicks annually. The facilities are fully automated and include computerized equipment for precise control of temperature, humidity, and ventilation. Feeding is done mechanically, measuring the weight of the feeds to ensure equal distribution of the food. Drinking systems with medicators were installed for proper dosing of medicines and vaccines. A team of skilled technicians oversee the transfer of the eggs from the grandparent stock farms to the hatchery. The eggs from the laying farms are stored in sanitized air-conditioned warehouses. Fully automated setters and hatchers guarantee healthy chicks with quality production performance. To ensure maximum quality, isolation and selection of the best chicks is done prior to the dispatch of the chicks to breeders' farms in the local and regional markets. To prevent the transfer of disease into the facility, strict biosecurity procedures are applied and microbial test programs are conducted. Al Jazeera has built an in-house lab to monitor the hatchery and all the generations of the flocks, as well as products and raw materials of feeds. Specialized veterinary scientists administer various diagnostic tests. Rapid antigen tests to instantly detect the presence of infections. Comprehensive pathological tests to reveal any bacterial contamination in the facilities. And ELISA tests to monitor viral conditions and evaluate the bird's immune response. Al Jazeera owns several broiler breeder farms, producing around 30 million breeder eggs annually. All sections are fully automated with a computerized system to control room temperature, humidity, and ventilation. A broiler hatchery was built to produce broiler day-old chicks to integrate the production of parent stock farms. As the local and regional demand for broiler chicken continue to increase in parallel with the company's market share, the company has expanded its hatchery to reach a production capacity of 24 million broiler chicks annually. These state-of-the-art farms, built on biologically isolated lands, are built to the highest standards and managed by specialized engineers to produce more than 19 million broiler chickens annually. These day-old chicks and hatching eggs are distributed to the local and regional markets, utilizing our equipped, climate-controlled transportation fleet. This complete chain of grandparents, breeders and broiler chicken farms are all fed by products of Al Jazeera's own feed mill, thus reducing production costs and maximizing quality. These products also fulfill the local and regional markets' needs for feeds and concentrates in accordance with the highest standards. The feed factory has 3 production lines: grinding, pelleting, and pre-mix production lines. Al Jazeera Feed Factory produces several feed mixes, including feeds for grandparents, breeders, broilers, and layers with 2 types of concentrates and a production capacity of 90,000 tons yearly. To ensure highest quality, Al Jazeera has built a specialized state-of-the-art lab in the feed factory. The lab, which is considered the latest in the Middle East, studies all raw materials and analyzes the final products to assure the compliance of the raw materials and final product to required standards using infrared, NIR, and in collaboration with Iphonic Group. Al Thuraya Company for Supply and Marketing Poultry Products is a step forward in the success and integration of Al Jazeera. Al Thuraya owns one of the largest and newest slaughterhouses in the region, in cooperation with the Dutch Mine Company. Al Thuraya operates under Islamic rules of slaughter, with higher standards of sterilization and hygiene for all sections and personnel. The slaughterhouse is equipped with the latest in technology of equipment, placing Al Thuraya as a pioneer in the local and regional markets in a short period of time. A group of specialists monitor the product during all stages of production, using advanced technologies and lab testing, assuring maximum safety and quality of the product. The slaughterhouse has a high production capacity of 8,000 bird per hour. Its advanced cooling system and state-of-the-art storing refrigerators can take up to 3,000 tons. Al Thuraya's sense of responsibility towards the environment resulted in the building of a water purification station. The water used at the slaughterhouse can then be used in agriculture in the neighboring farms. With accurate planning and clear vision, Al Jazeera Agriculture is an integrated strategic investment, supporting the local and regional economy. Al Jazeera continues to succeed and look towards the future with projects aiming at integrating the poultry industry. Al Jazeera Agriculture Company, a yield of quality.